A very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to learn about present tense. The first thing that we have to know is what is tense. The word tense comes from the Latin word tempus, which means time. So tense denotes the time of action of verb. Tenses are of three types: present, past, and future. These three tenses again have four subcategories: indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Now, the first thing that we have to learn is what is simple present tense. The simple present tense is when you use a verb to tell about things that happen continually in the present, like every day, every week, or every month. The rule of simple present tense is subject plus main verb. For example, he plays tennis. Rohan sells fruits. My mother cooks food. The present continuous tense indicates that an action or condition is happening now, frequently, and may continue in the future. The rule of present continuous tense is to be verb plus main verb plus ing. Here, in present tense, the to be verbs are is, am, and are. For example, he is playing tennis, I am selling fruits, they are bringing gifts for us. Present perfect tense is used to show an action that is complete and finished or perfected. The rule of present perfect tense is has or have plus past participle form of the main verb. For example, I have written the letter. He has sold his house. They have finished their work. The present perfect continuous tense is also known as the present perfect progressive tense. It shows that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time. The rule of present perfect continuous tense is has or have plus been plus main verb plus ing. Let's see the examples. I have been doing my job since 3 years. He has been living here since 2001. They have been doing their work since morning.